People, whenever I see me, as I'm supposed to see my face wet, you see me, I catch one little one. I think because I'm too small, but because... Alright people, welcome back to our next video. In the video here, as you see in the title, I'm going fishing, right? I'm going to leave already because now, after 11, you see me, but through my dad, one thing I start out, I say, alright man, start it out. I'm going to say, yo, I have to shoot the video today. You see me, so I say, yo, I'm going to shoot the video. Fishing, fishing fun, me love fishing, fishing nice. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to buy a plantain and roast it. Because I don't know, say, to a line can be very long, you see me? Because me can't swim enough for you to fish going through the fish, so I have to use line, and that can be very long. So I carry plantain with me and roast plantain and mix juice, you see me? So that I'm going to do, so you can stay tuned with that. Yeah, and if I catch a fish, before I get hungry, I'm going to roast the fish with the plantain and eat it and see if I can catch more, you see me? So let's stay tuned for that one here. Like the video, drop a comment below, you see me? Subscribe if you're new and touch the bell. Share the video here to everybody you know. You see me? So just share the video. Oh, and also follow me on Instagram, Stammer TV Vlogs, the personal Instagram page, Jeff876. Follow me TikTok, Stammer TV Vlogs also. You see me? So that's before, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out. Yo.
Yeah?
Send them back up. Send them that back. People reach the river now, so show now I go on. Hey boy, man, tap us with the cutlass,
Yeah?
man, tap us with the cutlass. So people, man, can play for them called Duffy Wall. So full I go?
One. Ada pukul na agad Nathaniel. Yung put. Ada pukul na ako. Ada pukul. Okay, agad man. Tawag man.
Friend, reach the water. I'm afraid of the water, man. So people, I see what I'm going, see if we can catch two fish, see?
Yeah. Real
I'm sure no I go, I'm sure the camera, I'm sure no I go on. People, one time, what is it I walk on down for me? Be a son. Nobody not coming again. Nobody not coming. Don't do a catch fish. Yeah, but nobody not coming. I push up so. Nobody not coming again.
Now we're not going to make one. Now we're
be most people today. I'm gonna drop. People already have remedy. They can find worm anywhere moist. Anywhere water run, they can find earthworm. So the earthworm I'm gonna use, and also I'm gonna use what we call it, white cocoa, because a person tell me say, a friend of mine tell me say I can use white cocoa because fish love anything white, so I can't have to try it. I never used cocoa before, so I see what's going on. I say 2 lines, one with the worm, one with the cocoa, and see which one actually gets fish first.
Yeah.
I'm going to receive it, love her same way. People are walking in the middle, so walking to reach and to reach. I don't know where I'm going. So the fresh water. Oh, the fresh water too. What? Dear mother. Come here, man. You're about to man. Oh, you there, come. See, man, turn back like you're afraid. Come here, man. Here then. Walk up on the side, you know. Walk on the bank, shell apart in, and come around. You think a joke? Be a mother and so. Walk on the mother, man. Come in, man. You not come deep in here, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, offer the pole if I sir. Yeah. This sir? This sir? It's a shallow now.
Yeah man, this is shallow.
Look at that. It's shallow man. Alright, what you do? Walk up on the side, so come round then. People. One a 4-way, me and 3 or somebody. And everybody people cross it. And so maybe which I'm yes, but maybe because they're shorter than me. Eh? Which part? Oh. So I'll meet up back. Alright. Come in, okay, man? Yo, I'm in a place, and say, where go to my in a place? Up on the bank in the sun, I walk. So. I'm in a place, okay, you can't go with me, no? Come in a place. Alright, come in. Come for you. I want to land in, since you're ready. You shall lay, no? You can swim?
No?
Where do you walk? Yes, sir. Sir. Walk up, sir.
Yeah. Where?
Come in, man. Alright. People, they people cross the water, but in the deep, no. Maybe because of the mud. It's because it's muddy, it's not really sunny, so I walk with them because I don't know the place like that. They know the place. You see me? And the person who come with him prefer cross it, so I'm willing to walk with somebody else. You see me? So it's alright. I turn back and walk with them. Because I'm not in the place like that. So what am I gonna do? I see what's it. See the kind of dirty be mud. What am I gonna do? I pass the camera until I reach. Then I turn back the camera, you see me? So stay tuned. People don't reach, we won't reach it, but because they don't cross the water, so watch training them party and see if I can catch nothing. If I don't catch, I go back around there so. And see what I go on. See me line them here. I have 2 lines. Starting for roast something before. Ratted. Take a full of water. So I can do it again. Passion fruit. But it's not full of water, I forgot, so I just one thing just roast it alone. You see me, so stay tuned, people. Line?
Yeah. Go on with it.
Alright, bag is the one here. See, look up, so. Come here. Put it on, man. Put it down. Up over there. Hold it, sir. Just hold it. Hold my water. So people are swim catch something. Make you know what's going on. We're gonna come. We're gonna come, but we're not left it. Still like one try. People, when I see me, as you're supposed to see me face wet, you see me, I catch one little one. I let him go because he's too small, but my cousin say, oh, you want him, so I'm gonna buy the thing go. So I'm still there, see him way, I try. I'm soon show him, is it because I move from the spot to me there. Me there, right down there, such as them there. I feel I see them, but I don't do somebody there. You see me, so just leave and down there, so and come right here, so. Maybe you want to go way around this about. Because I'm really put it like that and they don't really come with me. You see me, so I just stay right here with them in the part here and see what I can catch. You see me. So I still showing the video. Even if I catch nothing more. But I still showing the video the same way, you see me. I now can get to roast the platinum again because beer rain sticks them wet, so I don't think we can roast again, you see me. So let's stay tuned. I'll update you know if nothing more going for me, you see me. Alright people, as you know see, rainfall, so I have to leave the river, is because I never want to come down and catch me here for the day. Is me, and I did about 2 hours and couldn't catch no fish. No fish, I say yes, this one really catch. You see me? I catch one little bit, like a sprat. And I want that, so I'm give my cousin. So go and stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to the channel. You see me? Touch the bell if you know I'm video drop. Smash the like button. Drop a comment. Share the video to everybody you know and follow me Instagram and my TikTok, Stammer TV vlogs. And also the personal IG page, Jeff876. So that's fun art platforms. Yeah. I go home now, people. I go home now because I go home disappointed because never catch no fish. Rain fall, I couldn't get fish planting. I'm hungry like wow. Hungry bad because couldn't catch no fire because the thing get wet. So I'm going now, I can fry plant and eat bread. Or I just eat dinner. Yeah. So go on, stay tuned to the channel, people. Subscribe and stay tuned because that's my video come. See, even though I don't really get a good catch, I still have post the video see my phone. Yeah, and fish are pick, you know, fish are pick, but they're not big. As you see in the video, to use when they come with me, as well as be one and bucket, right? Then say I'm gonna raise them. You see me? One of the reasons why I feel like say I'm not getting a good catch are because of the sinker I use. I use 2 knot and shine. I realize say the fish them I grab the sinker. Maybe because of shine, I don't know. So next time I'm gonna more prepared. You see me? I'm not really bad for the fishing thing. I kind of rookie same way. So all I'm gonna do as I go. You see me? So that before. Stay tuned for more video.